Tweet. B-E-T-W-E-N.
That is correct. And the last word is Wednesday.
Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
Congratulations, you finished the third round. To declare a winner for the spelling bee, we are now proceeding to the academic bowl questions. This is the challenging round. Are you ready? What is a number?
A number is an idea.
And what is another name for a number?
A numeral.
Very good, that is correct. What is our song for writing and reading?
What I read, I can write. What I write, I can read.
That is correct. What is our pet turtle's name?
Forrest Butler.
That is correct. How many months in a year?
12.
That is correct. Sing the poem of the person who invented the traffic light.
Red means stop. Green means go, 'cause Garrett Morgan told us so.
Where can you go in Atlanta to learn about Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.?
His house.
That is correct. Name the 7 continents.
North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, Africa.
That is correct.
Oh my goodness. Y'all making me too nervous. I got to stand
What
up.
is a vowel?
A vowel is an open mouth sound.
That is correct. What did President Lincoln do to help our nation?
Win the Civil War.
That is correct. How many letters in the alphabet?
26.
That is correct. Complete the song. Follow, follow, follow directions.
Half of learning is listening.
That is correct. Who invented the traffic light?
Garrett Morgan.
That is correct. How many days are in a school week?
5.
That is correct. Name the seasons.
Winter, spring, summer, fall.
That is correct. How many days are in a full week?
7.
That is correct. How do we get in line?
Straight and quietly.
Is there another way to get in line? That's correct, actually. So I'll have to take that. Thank you. What do people call President Lincoln?
Honestly.
Who is our 44th President of the United States?
President Obama.
That is correct. We only have 6 more questions, and I'll have to make up more if you get these. Tell me the temperature that is too cold to go out for recess.
32.
That is correct. What is a consonant?
A consonant is a closed mouth sound.
Finish it.
Blocked by the teeth, blocked by the tongue, blocked by the lips and the nose.
That is correct. Name a monument in our nation's capital.
The White House.
That is correct. Name 5 inventions by Black Americans.
The refrigerator. The traffic light.
see if Ben can answer. 5 inventions by Black Americans.